Installation of the Simpson Strong-Tie Strong-Wall high-strength wood shear wall anchorage is a quick, easy process that ensures correct bolt placement and helps avoid costly concrete repours. Our reusable templates allow for fast, accurate installation and can accommodate different form types to suit your application needs, like standard interior and exterior, panel form, brick ledge, and extended leg. When selecting templates, it's important to match the size of your template to the size of your wall. Be sure to check the wall size and foundation type specified on your plans. Templates and bolts are sold separately from the Strong-Wall high-strength wood shear wall. To locate anchor bolts on the forms, first install the anchor bolts in the template, then attach the template to the form. Specific placement will depend on your form type. The optional anchor bolt stabilizer system, which is compatible with any template and application, helps to eliminate movement of the anchor bolts during concrete placement. The WSWH-RT template is suitable for exterior applications and interior, flat or on-edge 2x4 applications. The WSWH-RT-PF template is used in panel form applications when not pouring to the top of the form. The WSWH-RT-BL template is for brick ledge foundations. The WSWH-RT-EL extended leg template is used to accommodate installation of the shear wall flush to the inside face of a 2x6 sill plate. If applicable, after the templates have been placed, install shear reinforcement per designer. Next, pour concrete until flush with the top of the compression nuts on the anchor bolts. To remove the templates, first allow the concrete to set. Then remove the nuts from the anchor bolts, as well as the nails used to fasten the template to the form. Templates may be reused. For more on the Simpson Strong-Tie Strong-Wall high-strength wood shear wall anchorage, visit go.strongtie.com/WSWH.